Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to exclude a folder from Microsoft Defender. All right, it's actually pretty easy to do, and the steps are pretty straightforward. So first up, go ahead and look for a shield icon right here at your taskbar. Okay, double click on it. If you can't see it in here, go to search bar and type in Defender. Just like that, and click on Windows Security. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead over to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. Now look for Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Okay, now go ahead and click on Manage Settings. Click on it. Now in here, just scroll all the way down until you find Exclusions. Okay, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on it and there will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now in here, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign that says Add an Exclusion. Click on it. Now go ahead and select a folder. As the title suggests, we're going to exclude a folder. Okay, you can go ahead and exclude a file type, or a process. Okay, I'm going to click on folder and this window will pop up. So just go ahead and look for the folder that you wanted to exclude. Okay, I wanted to include maybe Riot Games. I'm just going to click on it and hit on select folder. And as you can see here, Riot Games is now excluded. Now, if you want to remove it in the future, just go ahead and hover your mouse onto Riot Games. Click on the drop down and hit on remove. Wait for it. As you can see, it's gone. Remove. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.